Today we'll talk about how can you find your blockchain accounts on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click on your name. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, just keep going down, and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here, and you click here on visibility here. So then come to this list, and you go down and you click here on blockchain. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find or currently blocking here. I have here you will find anyone your block here. I have no one, but if you have it, can you find it in this list? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.